we're actually on the boat right now. Ang pangalan ng whale watching company is Captain Dave's Whale Watching. No? Yan po yung Orange County, the Dana Point. Iba po mga affluent, no? Medyo alam nyo na, mahal din ang economy dito. Parang San Diego lang po kasi Orange County po ito. No? Yan po, umaalon-alon po kami. Magwi-whale watch. So hopefully maganda naman po ang weather. What's the current temperature right now?
What did you say?
What's the current temperature?
The temperature?
Yeah.
In the water, it's like 58.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm doing my
It's
video vlog.
probably
Like
around
14.
that outside right now.
Okay. So yeah,
Yeah.
I was asking her
Outside.
what's the temperature outside. It says
Oh,
50.
outside like 60, low 60s.
Yeah, low
and then in
60s.
the water is like 57.
Oh my God, that's
Like
so
surface temperature.
yeah. 60 daw. 60
Summertime will run 54.
sa water, 57. Malamig po yan. Pag hindi kayo surfer dude, wag na. Eto po, no? Marami po tayong kasamahan dito. Yung wala kung very private po kasi itong mga to. Alam nyo naman dito sa Amerika, very private. Mahirap naman po, no? We respect their privacy. So ito lang po makikita nyo muna. Mamaya na yung mga kung may whales man, no? Kung may whales, di okay lang. No, kung wala. Ayun, mayroon pong siga, no? Ayan, no? Tingnan nyo po ito. Ayan. Mamaya-maya naman po, ha? Pag nandun na tayo sa laot.